What's up, guys? It's Mike and welcome back to the videos. Today is a super chill day. It's Saturday. If you guys aren't doing anything, welcome to the channel. I was looking up some ricer wings for some reason. Actually, let me just tell you the truth. I was looking up videos and pictures of chassis mounted wings because I kind of wanted to do something super crazy for one of the cars. And I was just looking it up and all of a sudden, holy ricer wing. I saw a lot of ricer videos, pictures and videos. So I was gonna show you guys, we'll talk about it, we'll sit there and talk about it. I want you guys to vote which wing do you think is the most ricer. So what I'll do is I'll number all of these. First up, holy crap, I think I have one of these Civics. All right, first up, we got a beautiful blue Civic 3-spoke. That's pretty classic. What do you guys think about this? It has, what is that, pipes with a part of a pallet. It has the center right there to support the wingspan. The exhaust right there is pretty big. You can probably fit a small child inside. The 3-spoke wheels though, that's pretty nice. And I like the roll call on the side of the door. That's pretty nice. We're only focusing on the wings. If you guys like these type of videos, we'll go back and do like entire body kits. But holy shit, it's like someone broke into my warehouse, took a pallet and stuck it on the back of the car. All right, that's number one. Let's take a look at number two. Okay, number two looked like a Billy Bob and a Shawn Michaels. Had some leftover wood and decided to create a wing. Number three is not bad. That's a Subaru. Come on, that's nice. The only thing about this one is large wings like that aren't very supportive on the trunk. So if you're going really fast, depending how they're mounted, it could rip it can rip out of the trunk depending on how they're mounted. Chassis mounts for this large of a wing is way better. I don't know, man. The car is wide, but not wide enough for something that big. I wouldn't call it ricer. It's more of a personal preference. It's damn nice though. Subi, man, I can't be biased. I'm a little biased. This is from a video. I don't know what video it's from, but look at this. This is the opposite of the Subaru issue. This is a Eclipse. I actually had one of the Eclipse, not a convertible though. I had one of these Eclipse once upon a time. See, look, the wing is too small for the body. You see this? It's way too small for the body. So I think the guy needs a little larger of a wing, a little bit lower, but god damn. Where is this? This looks like somewhere I would, what the hell? Post office, right near the post office. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, so I don't think this is ricer. What do you guys think? I mean, it looks like his wide body is a little bit weird. It looks like someone just freaking shaved the side of the wide body. And that, man, this looks like if you took this car and you let a kid build it out of Legos, this is what I would have built right here. But it looks good. Like I don't think it's ricer. I typed in ricer on Google, ricer wings, and this is what I got. The chassis mount is freaking giant, man. You know how they say guys with lifted trucks have small BBs? But how about guys with big wings? Do they have small potato? Small eggplants? Got a little penis? You guys got a little penis? If you got a little penis, go ahead and just raise your hand. Wing's a little small. It looks a little stupid. I'm not about, man, that wing is way, I don't know. Stickers galore. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stickers plus 5 horsepower. I'm no mathematician, but that's plus 45 horsepower. Oh, don't forget the Voltex sticker on the side, which is probably another additional 10. So you're looking at 55 horsepower. There's probably one on the other side. So you're talking about 65. I'm gonna give him a bonus 10 because of the license plate. Looks good. Man, I don't know, man. The spoiler's a little bit small. It's like just right there. Okay, all right, move on to the next. What? Racing GT. ST. The ST? That says ST. Racing Street Tuner. I don't know what that means. Civic. Interesting body kit, but we're gonna talk about it separately. The spoilers are too small. See, like there's like this middle ground of too small and too big. That's what she said. And this right here, it just looks weird. I don't know. Ricer, right? Next, moving on. Oh, this is from a really viral video. But downforce on the wrong side, lifting the front wheel drive car, you need to try to hold traction down, but Hey, I'm no physicist, but the spoiler's kind of stupid. I don't know, man. I think hatchbacks should have some sort of like a little bit of a spoiler, just so round it off a little bit, because it's a little bit too round, but like, I mean, square it off a bit. But in this case, it's just like, it's like a skateboard ramp, just woo, like tech decks. Woo. I don't know what he has in the front of his car here. That's kind of weird. All right, moving on to the next. Holy Japan. This has to be in Japan. This right here, if you're a skateboarder, this would be the perfect ramp for you to get up. Damn, look at this. I mean, I'm speechless. It's cool. It's unique. Oh, how strong is it? I mean, just the engineering alone, the craftsmanship looks pretty badass. I don't know. I mean, it's probably from Japan, so anything from Japan is okay, I guess. What do you guys think about that one? Okay, so next one, let's see. Next one, oh man, I see these all the time on Honda Accord, but he's a Honda Accord. He has a Honda sticker on his gas cap with a DC sticker on the back. I wore DC once upon a time in college. Is that embarrassing? Is that embarrassing to admit? Well, that's what I did in college. The spoiler, I don't know what it says in the back. The spoiler's a little bit small. I feel like it should be at least the width of the car. If it's the width of the car, it looks pretty badass. He's probably running an automatic, but he's got a tow hook though. Plus 14 horsepower. Okay, this has gotta be, I don't know where this looks like a thumbnail from a YouTube video. I don't know where it's from, but hella dope windshield banner with the Honda logo as the front of it. I just gotta be just for the gram, because who the hell would strap a spoiler in the front? I've seen hood scoops like on cars that don't belong, that don't need one, and side vents and emblems and stuff, but a front spoiler? I mean, I guess, okay, so I guess the theory is, I'm no physicist once again, right? Front wheel drive, it needs downforce on the front wheels for the power, so you have a spoiler in the front. Makes perfect sense. All right, moving on. This is not Ricer. Why did this even come up as Ricer? The SICK 2000 is so nice. The SICK 2000 make the girl the what? It's nice. I don't know why this is Ricer. I mean, I think the width is perfect. That's what she said. I think the length is really good. That's what she said. And it's black. I like it. That's also what she said. Yeah, I don't think this is Ricer at all. A little bit of camber on this car. Looks good. Oh, they're not Ricer. Haters. This is now Ricer. Look at this bad boy. What the hell car? This is a Buick? Who puts a spoiler on a Buick? I like how this guy's also a BMX rider too. A Buick. I have no idea what he created this. This has got to be for the gram. But it looks like a plank piece of wood right there. Okay. Good old maple Canadian wood right there. It looks like he's got some sort of rack holding it on. And I have no idea what the other pieces are. But the exhaust is sick though. Dualies. True duals. Alright, moving to the next one. Holy Japonais. This gotta be Japan, and this is probably Photoshop. It has to be Photoshop. It has to be Photoshop. Oh my goodness. I do like the color combination of blue and yellow. It's very college-like. It looks like a piece of plywood on top and many 2x4s inside. It definitely looks Photoshop, but it's a good Photoshop. I believe it. I'd run it. Okay, this other one. What is this, a Chrysler? What car is this? I know that symbol. I grew up with it. I don't know what the fuck it is. What is that car? I have no idea. But look at this. It looks like he took two 2x4s, some MDF, and decided to make a spoiler out of it. But look, it's got like some side bracing on it. I can appreciate that engineering right there. Once again, it's too small. That's what she said. It's not black. I don't like it. That's what she said. And it's just weird looking. That's also what she said. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like this one. I wouldn't run this one. No. Holy ball sack. A Toyota truck with many stickers, with pipes, and a spoiler. RST girl, is this your new mod? Damn. Look at them lights. Alteza lights. You guys remember that back in the day? And what is that thing? Is that a big old stamp on the side of the freaking tailgate? That spoiler. It evens out the airflow of the truck as it goes to increase gas mileage. And holy crap, there's 4 wheels in the back. We should do an entire series on just trucks. Ricer trucks. I'm down. You guys down? Leave in the comments. Let me know if you're down. All right, guys, that's all, man. I numbered all these pictures, so you guys leave in the comments below what number you guys think is the most ricer. And like the Photoshop ones are a little bit iffy, so I'm not gonna include those as one of them that I'm gonna say is ricer. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Super chill video. Just a quick one for you guys on a Saturday. Have a good Saturday. 4th of July is coming up, so make sure you guys stay safe, barbecue, and be happy. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.